Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Valiant celebrates big with Passenger Princess. According to World Music Views, the track has claimed the #1 spot on Apple Music in 16 countries, including Jamaica, the Bahamas, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, Belize, Guyana, and the British Virgin Islands. It holds the 2nd spot in Grenada and continues to climb in other territories such as Gambia, ranking at number 6, and Seychelles at number 21. On iTunes, the track secures the #1 spot in Antigua and Barbuda. On YouTube, the song has also seen significant traction, sitting at number 1 in Guyana, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, and the Bahamas, while ranking number 2 in Belize. Even on Deezer, the song is gaining ground, holding the #2 spot in Jamaica, and it has started to register on Shazam, entering the UK chart at number 189. An exciting Valiant took to Instagram, commenting more work to be done while thanking his fans and his team. He also sent his love to both his fans and team. Jamaica to celebrate its 63rd anniversary under the theme Be Proud, Be Bold in Black, Green and Gold. Port Royal to take center stage. Speaking recently at the National Emancipation and Independence Thanksgiving Church service at Faith Cathedral Deliverance Center in Kingston, Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange unveiled that this year's staging of the Grand Gala, which is slated for August 6, will highlight the recent recognition of Port Royal being designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
One of the highlights this year at the Grand Gala will be a fantastic segment on the recent inscription of Port Royal by UNESCO. We will bring to life the story of the sunken city, its rich history, and the dramatic experience of the 1962 earthquake, all through powerful dramatization.
Minister Grange also revealed that with limited seats inside the National Stadium, plans are in place to ensure every Jamaican can take part in the Independence Day celebration.
This year, we will expand the celebrations to have mini galas in all the parish capitals. So you don't have to journey from the country to come to Kingston, but you will be able to celebrate Jamaica 63 in your parish.
The Grand Gala will culminate the independence celebrations at the National Stadium, with the activities kicking off on July 31 at the Civil Heritage Park in St. Anne for the Emancipation Jubilee. Minister Grange also noted that the Independence Village will be established at the National Stadium complex from August 2 to 6, showcasing the best of Jamaican creativity, including local cuisine, art, concert performances, and cultural expressions. Now, the National Festival Queen Coronation takes place at the National Indoor Sports Center on August 2, the Gospel Star Final and Jamaica Praise Concert August 3, Mellow Go Round August 4, and Vintage in the Village August 5. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.